Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Civic's oil life. It's a simple process that ensures your car's maintenance minder system accurately tracks your oil's condition. After an oil change, resetting this indicator is crucial for proper vehicle upkeep. We'll guide you through each step, making it easy to keep your Civic running smoothly and its maintenance schedule on track. Let's get started with the first step. First, get your Civic ready. Turn the ignition to the on position, but make sure not to start the engine. This powers up your vehicle's electrical system and display. Next, find the menu button on your steering wheel or the Select/Reset button usually found on your dashboard. This button is key for navigating through the display options to reach the Oil Life screen. Now, let's find the Oil Life display. Press the menu or Select/Reset buttons several times. You'll cycle through various vehicle information screens. Keep pressing until you see Oil Life or Maintenance displayed, showing a percentage. This indicates how much life your oil has left. Once you've located this specific screen, you're ready for the next crucial step. To complete the reset, press and hold the Select/Reset or Enter button for about 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life percentage start to flash. Release the button, then press and hold it again for approximately 5 seconds. The display will then reset to 100%, confirming your oil life has been successfully updated. Finally, turn off your ignition to save the new setting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.